Hi, I'm Andrea Smith with Echo Park Paper, and I'm so excited to show you our new Here Comes Santa Claus collection. Our next collection is our Here Comes Santa Claus collection. You can see that fun sticker with the cute Santa Clauses, cute nutcrackers, and cute word sets. Your coordinating solids paper pack, you're going to get 6 12x12 double-sided papers with that kit. Beautiful coordinating colors. Next we have all of our papers. This is our 3x4 journaling card with that cute green holly and berries. Our 4x4 journaling card. The fun Christmas treats. Our fun snow Santa Clauses with the Christmas wreaths. Beautiful Christmas plaid with all those cute nutcrackers all lined up. Our 4x6 journaling cards with the beautiful Christmas music. Our 4x6 journaling cards vertical. The snowflakes. The red and white snowflake Christmas paper. Those fun greens. This is a fun multicolor snowflake. That green and red and cream plaid. This is our countdown to Christmas paper. It's really fun to kind of do a fun project with that one. The green stripe. Santa Claus is sure coming to town with this collection. That's fun snowflake. Beautiful poinsettias with a fun green plaid. Your bigger, if I can grab it, the fun bigger black holly and berries with the Christmas trees. Next you're going to see our chipboard accents. This one's really fun because it has some gold foiling in it. And our chipboard phrases with those fun gold foils. You're going to see the Christmas floral greens. It's going to be used with Christmas or every day. And our A2 embossing folders. This is all of our Christmas words. Fits perfectly on an A2 card. We have our 6x6 paper pad and the enamel dots to add with any project. We have our decorative brads. You see all the chipboard pieces and all of the decorative brads to go along with that. And our newest puffy sticker SKU. You're going to see all of our fun Santa Clauses lined up on that cute washi tape. And our red and white snowflake. Next you're going to see our Christmas Poinsettia Die Set and the Jolly Snowflakes die set. Our Believe in Santa word die set is perfect for all the cards. And your Deck the Halls Greenery die set. Our Season's Greetings wreath die set. And last but not least, our 4x6 stamp. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to shop our new collections coming to you soon.